What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm doing a talking video on the RC Shark and RC boat. Now, as you can see, it would definitely have to get used this year again because, used next year, 2026, because, well, I mean, you know how expected this thing, like you can see, because this one here has been used since first, as you can see, and this one here got used in second because you know how expected this thing second because they're not bad looking machines or anything, but you see how much expected things definitely will get used almost like every single time a little bit because they will get used next year in 2026 exactly because I used to have two boats and I actually have another boat and but both they got broken because the motor was just grinding completely so it was got thrown away so in the both will get used again next year in 2026 because you know how I expected this thing exactly because you know how I expected this thing exactly which it's definitely what it is exactly machine exactly which is definitely will get used again next year in 2026 because you know I expected this thing exactly which is definitely not that bad in my opinion, but you know I expected the thing will get used again this year next year in 2026 because you know I expected the thing was just not that bad in my opinion, but you see how much expected this thing will get used next year in 2026 you see because I do like this thing a lot because you see how much expected this thing exactly which is it's definitely what it is exactly because if you have both of these ones at the same time a little bit because you know I expected this thing exactly which is definitely looks 7.9 my opinion, so it definitely will get used next year in 2026.